Good morning. This is John Mart here at Barangay Mambukal. Would you believe there's a Mambukal here in Marbel? This is Marbel. This is 7 o'clock in the morning, and this is the 6:30, and this is the lighting here. That's Grace, my host here in Marbel, and there is actually a Mambukal resort. So our Mambukal in Negros is not the only one. This is Mambukal Resort as well, and they have a sulfur pool. Let's have a look. Good morning. The radio show is so very. These are the rates here. No hard liquor. Hello. That's the sulfur pool. Ano may sulfur ginadaya?
Oo, kung ako
Nag-aso-aso. Hello.
Ara unang may 10. May 10.
So, pwede maghulom-hulom. Right, this is going down to the sulfur pool. This is a bahay kubo, meaning a bamboo hut. Bahay means house in Tagalog. Kubo is a shack or a hut. There, I love Mambukal Sulphur Spring Resort. I can smell the sulfur na. Baho itlog. So, ini the bahay kubo cottages are for rent. Dito ang sa front, tag 1.5. Ini siya, tag pila ni siya. So, later in the day, tamo na di tao.
Oo, kasi
Wow. May sulfur man. Mas mapatay sa sulfur. Wow, what's...
why ko di ka black sulfur daw. At daw mad, no.
Okay ka murky sa iya.
Pero
So,
bakit
it's
siya
off
sarado?
limits. The hot and cold man siya. Hot and cold. Alright.
Ano cold?
Ini sa piyak mo ning hot. That's hot. Tapos this is cold. Right, that's the cold pool and the hot spring. So you alternate. And these are the benefits of a hot sulfur spring. So very hot, Lidja. Okay. So that's supposed to be a shower before entering pool. Though hindi man shower, it doesn't look like shower. Well, that's a very Filipino way of taking a bath. That's the dipper, and you dip. You don't shower, but you dip. So, this is the thing that I don't like. Nobody likes to do this first thing in the morning. It's so cold, but I have to do this. Alright, just to get myself wet before entering the pool, so it's so cold. Oh my goodness. They say, Konogra, if you put cold water to your face, it stimulates the vagus nerve. They haven't established the connection, basta, it's that. Putting cold water to your face stimulates the vagus nerve, whatever that is. And it's supposed to be healthy. Let's go. So we go to the hot pool. Yay! So Grace takes her first dip into the pool. Let me... wow. So temperature is fine. Okay lang. Amo na ni siya? Okay. Amo na ni. Ay, alam mo yara. Pagid. One more step. Ay, ka nice. I love it. Ah, this is my chair. Something. Wow. Oh, I love it. Dali lang, pwede ko naman baliskan ang pool. Yay! We're relaxing. It's so relaxing. No, that's not fart. It's my shorts. No, I've collected air bubbles sa kunya shorts. No. So no wonder it's a popular place for and then for therapeutic purposes. Nice to pahulom-hulom here. Anong hulom? I've discussed it no sa in my other Mambukal video. My goodness. So there's another Mambukal here. Okay, I know I'm so kulit. I'm so sabad na gidya. Pero why is this called Mambukal?
Because of the bukal-bukal.
Ah, really? Bukal-bukal nga. Kaya because of the spring, no? So, I didn't know that Mambukal Hot Spring in in Murcia, Negros Occidental, has a twin. Exactly a twin, gidya. May kapid siya. Kapid is a twin. Twin. Kapid is like a double or yeah, twin. Alright, time for us to transfer to the warmer pool. Let's see if it's warmer than the pool that I'm used to in my own Mambukal place. Bye pool. Go to the other pool. Ah, hindi madip ta diyan. Isa cold pool. Kay hot and cold daw. Ah, cold dip. Alright, wow. Whoosh. It's cold. The water is cold. Ah, cold dip. This is cold. Not really cold, but yeah, cooler, much cooler. Not, definitely not warm.
Kasali na na.
Ini siya pwede na di maghulom. Hala, dokaan. What? Hindi.
Super cave nila.
Ah, this is the sulfur cave. Welcome to the sulfur cave. So I believe this pool is hotter than the other pool because it says, paalala, reminder, hindi pwede ang first timers. Ang first timers are not allowed. Only 5 to 10 minutes and drink plenty of water after. Salamat. Thank you. Oo. So, wow, this is... Ooh, init! Hot! Wow! Ang itlog ka. Wala man ta itlog. Yeah. Daw mo amo na niya sa ofuro to. Amo na niya siya. Oh, kay aso-aso na siya, oh. Steaming aso. Aso.
Aso?
Aso. Amo na niya siya kainit. Pero mas tahom na siya blaga. Kaya mas ka-natural kung iya na hindi. Dagi semento man. Pero ang iya, gid nga hot spring source over there. Kag ang color niya to yung brown. Ini siya That's our natural hot spring source. It's not slippery. It looks shiny. But it's not slippery. It's warm. Cold, warm. There's a mini pool over there. Let's try here. How is temperature? Oh, this is cold. Okay, this would be my cold dip. Okay, let's go cold dipping. This will be our final dip from our hot dip over there. And this is the cold dip. Do they even have a black sulfur pool? So what's the difference? because the water is black and kids are not allowed here. Bawal. Bawal, not allowed. Okay, let's try what's in the black water. Oh yeah, it just sounds sinister, black water, but it's not that warm. It's not that hot. No, no, I still like the cave thingy. So I'm dipping here at the black sulfur pool, but it's not that warm. It's just room temperature warm. Not as exciting as that little cave we've been there. It's our cold rinse. Let's check the temperature. Still not cold. It is warm actually. Same kind of warm. Okay. Let's go back to that pool. This is Jonah Ward from Mambukal Hot Springs here in Coronadal, South Cotabato. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.